Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, welcome to the 6 sessions of the online tutorial. This week you are going to learn about cover letters and curriculum vitae. You can find this week's topic in module 7, which consists of 2 learning activities. By the end of the week, you are expected to be able to write the cover letters in English and identify the parts of a curriculum vitae. Please study the materials and enrichment links below. Afterwards, please participate in discussions period 6 and submit the assignment 2 if you haven't. Good luck. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.